Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Trust enhanced cryptographic role-based access for storage security in cloud computing. Modified title: Conviction Superior Cryptographic Role-Based Access for Storage Security in Cloud Computing. Let me see the abstract. Trust Enhanced Cryptographic Role-Based Access for Storage Security in Cloud Computing. Cloud data storage has provided significant benefit by allowing user to store massive amount of data on demand in a cost-effective manner. To protect the privacy of data stored in the cloud, cryptographic role-based access control (RBAC) scheme have been developed to ensure that data can only be accessed by those who are allowed by access policies. However, these cryptographic approaches do not address the issue of trust. In this project, we propose trust model to reason about and improve the security for stored and data in cloud storage systems that use cryptographic RBAC schemes. The trust model provides an approach for the owner and roles to determine the trustworthiness of individual roles and user respectively in the RBAC scheme. The proposed trust model takes into account role inheritance and hierarchy in the evaluation of trustworthiness of roles. We present a design of a trust-based cloud storage system which shows how the trust models can be integrated into a system that uses cryptographic RBAC schemes. We have also considered practical application scenarios and illustrated how the trust evaluations can be used to reduce the risk and enhance the quality of decision making by data owners and roles of cloud storage service. Let me see the data flow diagram. Start the process, then admin login to be the user behavior monitor, then user behavior editor, interaction history general, repository or database, trust decision engine, then owners, roles behavior auditor, storage the cloud data, tooling the database, then database to retrieve from the user details and file details, condition check the authorized user only to view the file details, performance analysis, the process is end. Let me see the project. Trust enhanced cryptographic role-based access control for secure cloud data storage. There is a home page, administrator, roles, owners, user and view. First of all, open it administrator. Admin ID and password already stored the database. So username and password given it. To press the submit button, valid user only access next page. Admin to store the files, file ID and file name, then browse the files, file type, that is a text file, file size, today's date, then encrypt, send to client, admin ID to proceed the other process, then valid user, file ID and file name, browse the file, under the file text to display these pages, to put the submit and save the files. Second one, roles to view the user details only, then owners, level of secret system and status binary values. For example, A status is blocked, binary value is 010401. Then level 2 secret system, then eject, then blocked 01010. Next is a user, New user, click here, registered new user, to put the ID and name and gender, male or female, and age, phone number, mail ID, date and roles. Admin or user, what are the rules to put the inserted the record, then to given the client ID and client name, to put proceed the other process, to view the file ID, file name, file subject, file type, file size, and date to view that are component. Next one is a view. View is to type one file view, second one is a user view. File view to display the all files of stored in a database, to display the file details, and user view to put the select user name and user account auditor, to click full details to view that pages. That's all.